How to add themed Instagram highlights using Canva. First, head to canva.com or open your Canva app. Search for Instagram highlight cover. Explore a variety of styles and themes to find one that matches your vision. Customize the template by editing colors, adding text, changing fonts, and adding icons or graphics. Once you're happy with your design, download your design as a PNG file for optimal quality. This time, go to your Instagram profile and tap on your profile picture. Tap the plus icon to create a story. Once you have uploaded a story, go to that story and choose the icon labeled highlight. Add it to your highlights. After that, follow the same steps to create themed covers for all your highlights. Arrange your highlights in a logical order for a cohesive look.